Hey everyone, how's it going? So you've been following this channel. This is a follow-up to this accident here caused by this Mustang. It was a hit and run after the incident. He took off and he never pulled over to exchange insurance information. And we'll explain towards the end what's currently going on with the investigation. But this video is to talk about the incident and the damages on the Cybertruck. You can see there the damages is to the PPF. So we will be pulling off this PPF, working with Empire Custom Wrap and FlexiShield. So FlexiShield is the manufacturer of this paint protection film, and Empire Custom Wrap has helped us in the past wrap other Tesla vehicle, including this Cybertruck. So we trust them the most to be able to pull this off and install it just as if it was the original. So you can see there this penetration in the PPF. We'll be pulling this off for the first time, and you will see any damages underneath this paint protection film. So we'll see the strength, both the paint protection film from FlexiShield and also the Tesla Cybertruck stainless steel. So to remove the trim, you just pull it over just as Davey is doing right here. So Davey and Natasha are a mom and pop shop, so we definitely want to support them. If you're interested in wrapping any of your Tesla vehicle, they have a wide selection of colors, so definitely check them out. We'll plug them in the description of this video. So right now Davey is pulling off the front passenger door, and for the first time right there, let's see any damages. So zooming in, we'll zoom closer on the rear door, but you can see there that was not penetrating the PPF, so we didn't expect any damages to the Cybertruck stainless steel. So you can see they're pulling it off. There's no residue, so it was very easy to remove and install. And here's the rear door. So this is where it penetrated on multiple spots. And this will be the first time we're looking at this. So pulling over, it looks like possibly there might be a little scratch there, but after taking a closer look, it looks to be more of an adhesive because of the penetration to the paint protection film. And there's another, looks to be another scratch. We're gonna buff that off and see if it actually is a scratch. It looks more like adhesive again because of the penetration. So we buff it off with basically just water and a microfiber towel to scrub off any of the excess residue from the paint protection film. It looks like there's no damage. So from the B pillar right there, there's just some fingerprint stain that we were just touching on. And again, no damages, no indentation, no dent, no scruffle. So we have to say the paint protection film likely did help here to prevent it from scratches. So that's definitely good news. So now we'll be installing the same paint protection film from FlexiShield being installed by Empire Custom Wrap here in Temecula. And Natasha is there on the left and David's holding the right. So the Cybertruck, although people think is easy to install because the panels are flat, they are huge panels. So a couple people will need to be able to work on the vehicle at one point in time to be able to hold up the film and hand cut it. So right now David is aligning the paint protection film and he's just stretching it out, making sure it's all sit flat and flush with the trim, and he will stretch it over and also adhere to the front passenger door first. You can see his skills and dedication to installing the paint protection film. He's very quick, and that's because he and Natasha have installed many paint protection film on the Tesla Cybertruck along with any other Tesla. So they've opened the shop for some time already. They actually started out of a garage originally, so very cute story. If you want to know more, definitely check them out. But they do have a lot of DIY experience from before, and now they're more than professional. So you can see how quickly he installed the front doors passenger and cutting those trim. I don't know how he cut it so straight with his just with his bare hands. So it just takes skills and experience. So he did not have to redo any of the panel. This is just one-time installation. Took less than a couple hours for these two doors. Now this is removing the trim, the mirror, and the actual mirror housing as well, and actually cleaning the surface prior to putting this paint protection film from FlexiShield back on. And the reason why we chose FlexiShield again is because the color, this is actually a reverse reflect color. So during the afternoon or without sunlight, it looks black. And with sunlight, you have a blue metallic look to the vehicle. So it's pretty neat. They have other variety as well as options. I'll also plug them in the description of this video. And now you're probably wondering what's going on with the investigation. So basically the investigation is ongoing. We got in contact with the CHP after the report. They contact us a couple times for videos and photos, and right now they're just looking into that. So far we have not heard from them since the last conversation they had with us was to gather more information. So we'll continue to wait, but that's the latest update. Really is no update other than we file a report. The whole process has been very challenging because we proactively have to reach out to get an update. They never proactively reach out to give us an update other than ask for photos and actual video. It feels that we are a burden to them when we submitted this report. That's the attitude we've been receiving from the CHP, and that is very unfortunate because the whole purpose of us reporting the incident is to really hold the person accountable. There's no damage to the vehicle, so we're not planning to put any claims against that part of the whole investigation, but definitely the trauma that it caused us, right? So, and also others who in the future may encounter this same driver who put themselves in danger and others in danger. We want to make sure that this individual is spoken to and cited for the incident. We don't plan to fix anything because there's nothing to be fixed, and we don't plan to go through the insurance because there's nothing to be fixed. Now, if their own insurance want to fix their own vehicle, that's up to them. But so far we haven't even got any information or exchange information. So we'll see what happens. We'll do another CHP report outcome video following this installation. Hopefully we'll hear back from the CHP soon. The whole process has been very slow. So after we posted the initial video, except for that time, a lot of information, a lot of helpful people on the internet willing to provide information and details of the vehicle. So in case if the CHP is not able to find and we discover any damages to the Cybertruck, we can actually report them to the insurance and they will find this individual. But so far, we're just letting the CHP handle the whole situation. I don't expect much, if anything, out of that if I don't hear back from them in the next few weeks. So we'll provide a follow-up video and let you all know. But so far, we've been very blessed to be able to work with Empire Custom Wrap and also FlexiShield to be able to help us through this time of replacing the paint protection film. So Custom Wrap Empire does other vehicles as well. They customize vehicle in addition to wrapping Tesla vehicle. So if you need to modify your Tesla vehicle with springs, airbags, custom accessory, hit them up. They do everything here with those. So right now you can see the final product. So even look better than before. So this definitely is what it looks like now with the new wrap. It is just like glass, just like the original. If not better. You can see the reflecting. This is midnight blue again. Again, in sunlight, it looks blue. Without sunlight, it looks black. Very cool wrap from FlexiShield. And you can see the detail in this install, wrap around the edges, and nothing is lifted. Evenly cut, hand cut as well. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're interested in wrapping your Tesla vehicle or finding a paint protection film to go with. Definitely check out FlexiShield and Empire Custom Wrap. So we'll plug them in the description of this video. And again, if you have any questions, reach out to us through Instagram or emails as well as X. See you all next time.